Well, hello, it's Bears back. I got a nice little Union today. I think this one was sent to me by, I'm not sure, but I think it was by Thumper. And it's a cute little lot. It needs lubed up and stuff, but hey, I'll get that done later. And it opens both ways, so that's a nice thing about certain locks. So let's try to get into it. Bottom of the keyway here. I don't want to bind on the bottom. And we'll try the short sparrow's hook and see what we can do. First I got to find the pins. That would be helpful. Well, I don't feel them doing anything. There's one. I think two just gave me a click. I'm not sure. That one's doing nothing if I'm even on it. Okay, quit sliding forward so much. Trying to be careful because trying to get on these pins, they just slide. The pick just slides right off of them. Come on. Get on them. Okay. What am I not hitting here? Or did I overset? Man, this pick just wants to slide right out of this lock. I'm going to let it go and start again. Well, I got nothing. Looks like I got no tension on this thing. Yeah. Let me make sure I'm up off of it. Dang, it wants to slide right off. How about some tension? I ain't feeling there. I got something there. Don't know what it was. Oh, there it is. Finally. Man, that was just kind of weird. Yeah. It says J64 on the bottom. BRM. Man, I don't know why I wasn't feeling that. Let me